everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to be making some delicious blueberry pancakes that are light and fluffy, so let's get started. So here are all my ingredients. I have some almond milk, apple cider vinegar, vanilla extract, spelt flour, coconut sugar, some cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, some cinnamon, blueberries of course, some coconut oil for cooking the pancakes. So first I'm going to start with the wet ingredients. I'm adding 1 cup of almond milk to a bowl, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to let this sit for about a minute. I'm adding 1.5 cups of spelt flour. You could use regular flour if you like. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm just going to mix all of this up. And now I'm adding some blueberries. Now I'm just folding the blueberries in. Okay, now I'm going to get a pancake and have the taste test. I did make these pancakes before, but I made it in waffle form. You should try it. So I already know that it's going to be good. This is a good blueberry pancake. You can taste a little bit of the cinnamon, but not too much. This is a really good healthy alternative to a traditional pancake because it's made with such good ingredients. Well, that is it for today's video. If you make these pancakes, please tag me at Nom Nom to Fitness on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.